Have you ever found yourself in a foreign country, excited to explore, but then realized you don't have enough cash? Or maybe you're planning a trip and want to avoid those hefty ATM fees. Well, today, we're going to dive into a solution that could save you a bundle, the YouTrip card. So, you've got your YouTrip card, it's all shiny and new, but how do you actually load it up with funds? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Download the YouTrip app. The first thing you'll need to do is download the YouTrip app from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. It's a simple process, and it's the gateway to managing your YouTrip card. Step 2. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create an account. This involves providing some basic information like your name, email, and phone number. Don't worry, the process is quick and easy. Step 3. Verify your identity. To ensure the security of your account, YouTrip will require you to verify your identity. This typically involves uploading a photo of your identification document. It's a one-time process, and it's essential for safeguarding your funds. Step 4. Link your bank account. Now comes the crucial step, linking your bank account to your YouTrip account. This is where you'll actually transfer funds to your card. You can choose to link a bank account from Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, the Philippines, or Vietnam. Step 5. Top up your card. Once your bank account is linked, you can easily top up your YouTrip card. Simply open the app, go to the Wallet section, and select Top Up. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to add and choose your preferred bank account. The funds will typically be transferred instantly. Additional topping up methods. While linking your bank account is the most common method, YouTrip also offers other options for topping up. For example, you can use Pay Now in Singapore or FPX in Malaysia. These methods provide flexibility and convenience. Tips for topping up. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when topping up your YouTrip card. Plan ahead. To avoid running out of funds while traveling, it's a good idea to top up your card in advance. Check fees. While YouTrip generally offers competitive rates, it's always a good idea to check for any fees associated with topping up or using your card. Security first. Always ensure that you're using a secure Wi-Fi connection when topping up your card to protect your personal information. Topping up your YouTrip card is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your travel experience. By following these steps and keeping these tips in mind, you'll be well equipped to make the most of your YouTrip card and enjoy hassle-free travels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy traveling.